Okay, this is your ad remix tutorial. The last video showed you how to open up your ad and how to use your eraser tool and your brush tool. Remember, this is your brush tool right here. All your tools are on the left-hand side. So I showed you how to use the brush tool, how to change the color, how to change the size and the style of the brush, and then how to use your eraser. This tutorial is actually going to show you how to do a little bit more advanced work to get, if you don't like the look of just painting over a part of your image, if you want to kind of like make it seamlessly work together with your remix, I'm going to show you how to use your eyedropper tool. So this is your eyedropper tool right here. See, it looks like an eyedropper, like a scientific eyedropper. If you click on it and scroll down, this little down arrow to your eyedropper, what the eyedropper tool allows you to do is sample different colors in your ad. So if I select my eyedropper tool and I click on anywhere on the photo, my paintbrush is going to turn the exact same color of the part of the video, part of the image that I'm clicked on. So see how I clicked on his shoulder and the color palette down here turned brown? That's because that I use the eyedropper to select that color. If I click, say, on the pillow, it's going to turn white. Notice how the palette's turning white, or the gray background, the palette will turn whatever color I'm on, it's going to change to be that color. That's the beauty of the eyedropper. So in this way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in, use your zoom tool at the bottom here, your zoom, and make sure you're on the positive zoom. So you're zooming in, and I want to basically, I'm going to try to erase the word attraction, but make it blend in by using my eyedropper tool. So to the background. So here's my eyedropper tool. I'm going to click on his arm because I want my paintbrush to be the same color as his arm. And now I'm going to get my paintbrush. So it's kind of a combo. You need to use the eyedropper tool first, click on the area of the color you want, and then get your paintbrush. And now I'm going to brush on top of those letters. So notice how instead of just erasing it, it looks like it's more blending into his arm. Okay, so there's that. And now the second part of that word is on the gray background. So I'm going to go back to my eyedropper tool. I'm going to click on that gray background so that my paintbrush turns that color. I'm going to get my paintbrush and I'm going to then paint over the next part of the word to blend it into that background. And then the last part is on a lighter gray background. So again, I'm going to get my eyedropper tool. I'm going to click on that lighter gray background, and then I'm going to get my paintbrush and I'm going to paintbrush right here. So now if you notice, it kind of looks more like the word just kind of dissolves into the background. So now you can go ahead and type out whatever word you choose to use. So that's another fancy trick to use the eyedropper tool to get the exact color that you want to blend in different parts of the image into the background.